Do you know the number one reason why businesses lose dismissal cases? It's not always about whether the employee was guilty. It's because the internal disciplinary processes was flawed. The Labour Relations Act is very clear. Before an employee is dismissed, the employer must follow a fair procedure. That means proper notice, a fair hearing, the right to representation, and the chance for the employee to state their case. Skip one step and the entire dismissal can be ruled unfair. For employees, this is your lifeline. Many workers lose jobs unfairly because the process is rushed, biased, and handled behind closed doors. For employers, this is your nightmare. You think you have handled misconduct correctly, only to be told you didn't follow the rules, and suddenly you are paying compensation or reinstating the very person you dismissed. This is where Labour Hand SA steps in. We guide both employees and employers through the process, making sure rights are protected and that the law is followed to the letter. Whether you are fighting for your job or protecting your business, don't take chances. Contact Labour Hand SA today. Your fairness is our fight.